Good morning from day 5. Today is a rest day, so we're just going to hang out around here for most of the day, I think, and do some laundry and some cleaning, some resting of weary legs and backs and knees and hips, and
Shoulders.
hopefully dry some things out. It's sunny right now, but it did rain all night long, so this river is up considerably from where it was last night.
Be tasty treat for the bears.
We're at our little bank here where we eat food. So not a whole lot of interesting going to happen today. Oh, but something did happen. At like 4 o'clock this morning, something walked past our tent. No idea what it was. The windows were too fogged up. We only have 2 small ones, but something went through the bushes.
And he woke me up with a tap tap shh, and I opened my eyes. And then we were silent for like 5 minutes and nothing happened, and he gave up and started reading. And 5 minutes later, I gave up and started reading.
But something went by. Moose, caribou, bear, who knows?
No.
It's been raining for like 5 hours, so we had a good day of rest in the tent reading books. Looks like the worst of the storm has finally passed us. Looking more promising that way. Maybe we actually get some dinner without the rain.
We discovered why there are so many tracks on our little sandbar that we're camping on here. We've found so many wolf tracks that we get to follow along, interspersed with tons of caribou tracks.
And bear.
And we found moose tracks. It's because of these bones. That's why.
Laundry and bath time.